Hello friends, in the series on income tax cases, today we will discuss a very unique and interesting case on section 56 subsection 2 clause 7 in which a very interesting issue was there before Mumbai ITAT I bench, and the issue was that if an assessee receives a gift from his stepsister, so whether stepsister will be included in the definition of relative and whether that gift received from stepsister will be taxable or not. This issue has been decided by Mumbai ITAT I bench in the case of Rabin Arup Mutreja versus Income Tax Officer International Taxation. This case is reported in 134 ITR Tribunal at page number 413 and the date of judgment is 21st March 2025. The present case relates to the assessment year 16-17. In the present case, the assessee is a non-resident and the assessee has received a immovable property of the value of rupees 7,50,68,525 from his stepsister. When the assessment proceedings of the assessee were going on, the assessing officer came to know that the assessee has received this gift from her stepsister. According to the assessing officer, the stepsister does not come into the definition of the relative. If we analyze clause E of explanation to section 56 subsection 2 clause 7, according to that, if any amount is received from the relative, then that amount is not taxable as income from other sources. And according to that, the relative includes brother and sister. So the assessing officer made a view that only brother and sister is written and step brother and step sister is not written, so that does not come into the definition of the relative, and hence the amount received from the stepsister is taxable under section 56 subsection 2. When the matter was before the CIT appeal, the CIT appeal was also of the view that the brother and sister only include those brothers and sisters who are brother and sisters by the relation of blood. When the matter was before the tribunal said that the definition of brother and sister is not given in the Income Tax Act. The tribunal in the present case said that in common parlance, the brother and sisters can be categorized into 5 kinds. The first kind is uterine, where the mother of both the brother and sister is the same. The second is consanguineous, where the father is the same. And the third is germane, where the brother and sister are biological, meaning thereby that both the parents are same of brother and sister. The fourth category comes step brother and sister, where both the parents are different. And the fifth category is adopted brother and sister. They become brother and sister only by the operation of the law. The tribunal also said that the brother and sister can also be categorized as whole blood or half blood, but they come into the first 3 categories. The tribunal said that since in the Income Tax Act, the definition of the brother and sister is not given, and in the absence of any negative covenant in the Income Tax Act regarding the definition of brother and sister, that they do not include step brother and sister. So by going through the dictionary meaning, which also includes in the definition of brother and sister the step brother and sister, so for the purpose of section 56 subsection 2 clause 7, if we analyze the definition of relative, the step brother and sister should also come into the definition of brother and sister, and hence the gift received in the present case by the assessee from her step sister is also not an income from other sources and it should be exempt. Friends, this case is very important because if something is not specifically excluded from that definition, it should not be excluded from that definition. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Rabin Arup Mutreja versus Income Tax Officer International Taxation, and this case is reported in 134 ITR Tribunal at page number 413, and the date of the judgment is 21st March 2025. Thank you, friends.